Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Finding the maximum value in a matrix using Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to find the maximum value in a matrix using Python. Matrices are often used to represent two-dimensional data, and finding the maximum value within them is a common operation. We'll provide a step-by-step guide along with a code example to demonstrate the process. Step 1. Understanding the problem. Before we begin coding, it's important to understand the problem. We need to iterate through each element in the matrix and identify the maximum value. There are multiple ways to approach this task, and we'll cover a simple and efficient method. Step 2. Code implementation. We'll use nested loops to traverse each row and column of the matrix. During this traversal, we'll keep track of the maximum value encountered. Here's a Python code example. This code defines a function find_max_value that takes a matrix as input and returns the maximum value found within it. The function initializes max_value with the minimum possible value, float, inf, and updates it whenever a larger element is encountered. Step 3. Testing the code. To test the code, you can create different matrices and pass them to the find_max_value function. Ensure that the function returns the correct maximum value. Conclusion. Finding the maximum value in a matrix is a straightforward task in Python. By using nested loops and keeping track of the maximum value, you can efficiently determine the largest element within the matrix. Feel free to incorporate this code into your projects where matrix operations are required. ChatGPT.